What makes a fruit with such a high fat content recommended by nutritionists as a daily staple? Why does the avocado appear in every healthy eating plan, from clean eating to keto? And are you even eating avocado the right way? Let's find out right now. Why does avocado show up in every healthy diet from eat clean to keto? And are you sure you're eating it the right way? Let's get some answers right now. Behind that bumpy, leathery skin lies a story thousands of years in the making. In today's video, we're covering everything. The origin story of this incredible fruit, why it's considered one of the healthiest foods on the planet, how to pick and prepare it the right way, and the most common myths that people still get wrong. First, let's rewind the clock and travel back to where it all began. The avocado, originally called *ahuacatl* by the Aztecs, is native to the tropical highlands of Mexico and Central America. Thousands of years ago, the ancient Aztecs didn't just eat avocados, they practically worshipped them. To them, the avocado was a priceless source of nourishment, a gift from the gods themselves. Over the centuries, the avocado gradually crossed borders, moving north from Mexico into the United States. By the early 20th century, California's warm Mediterranean-like climate proved to be the perfect new home, launching the modern avocado industry in America. Those first California avocado groves laid the foundation for what would become a multi-billion-dollar global industry. So what exactly makes the avocado worthy of the superfood crown? Let's break down the nutritional profile that has the science world buzzing. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats, the good kind that lowers bad cholesterol and protects your heart. And that's just the start. They contain more potassium than bananas, plus a hefty dose of vitamin E, vitamin K, and dietary fiber. Thanks to this unique nutritional combo, eating avocado regularly supports heart health, boosts brain function, and can even help your skin and hair look their best. How do you pick a good avocado? The secret is in the stem. Flick off the little cap at the top. If it's green underneath, you've got a winner. If it's brown, it's past its prime. Hold it in your palm. It should yield slightly to gentle pressure but never feel mushy. That's the sweet spot. And here's the most common avocado mistake: stabbing the pit with a knife. Stop right there. This is hands down the #1 cause of what doctors now call avocado hand, and it sends thousands of people to the ER every year. Here's the right way. Slice lengthwise around the equator of the avocado, give it a gentle twist to separate the halves, then use a spoon, never a knife, to pop the pit out. Safe, fast, and you get to keep all 10 fingers. Once you've mastered the cut, the possibilities are endless. Simple avocado toast for breakfast, a creamy smoothie, refreshing salads, or the legendary Mexican guacamole that started it all. Avocados are a superfood, everyone knows that. But precisely because they're so popular, they're also surrounded by myths and misinformation. Some facts that everyone seems to believe turn out to be completely wrong. Let's walk through the 3 most common misconceptions, and chances are you believe at least one of them. Myth number 1: smearing avocado on your face gives you glowing skin. Reality check: the nutrient molecules in avocado are way too large to penetrate your skin. Eating avocado is how you actually absorb those skin-loving nutrients. Rubbing it on your face just makes you smell like a salad. Myth number 2: eating avocados makes you fat because they are high in fat. Wrong. Avocado fat is monounsaturated fat, the healthy kind that keeps you full longer, helps curb cravings, and can actually support weight management. The key, as always, is moderation. Myth number 3: avocado oil is just as good as eating a fresh avocado. Avocado oil does have benefits, but the pressing process strips away most of the fiber and many important vitamins. Eating the whole, fresh fruit is always the superior choice. And there you have it, the incredible journey of the avocado. From an ancient fruit growing on volcanic highlands in Mexico to a global superfood phenomenon, avocados aren't just delicious. They're a genuine health gift from nature. Pick them right, prepare them safely, and don't let myths keep you from enjoying one of the world's most amazing fruits. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to support the channel. See you in the next one, where we'll continue uncovering the fascinating stories behind the everyday foods on your plate.